Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to share Trello boards using a link. This is a great way to collaborate with your team or clients, and we're going to break down the process in a few simple steps. So, first things first, we'll need to navigate to the Trello board you want to share. Once you're on your board, look for the Show Menu button on the top right side. Click on it. This is where we can access the settings for our Trello board, including the sharing options. Now that we've done that, our next step is to click on More under the menu. Then, click on Settings, and finally, Link Sharing. This might feel like a lot of steps, but these are laid out in this way to protect your board's privacy and to make sure everything is in your control. With the link sharing option enabled, you'll notice a unique URL has been generated. This is your Trello board's unique address on the web. The reason we do this is to create a specific access point that we can share with others. Now, it's time to share the magic link. You have two options here. You can either click on Copy next to the URL to copy it to your clipboard, or you can click on Email Link to send it directly via email. This helps us because it gives us flexibility in how we want to distribute the link. Let's pause here for a moment. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When someone opens this link, they'll be able to see your Trello board exactly as you do. They can't modify anything unless you've given them permissions, but they can see everything. So only share this link with those you trust. Next up, let's talk about turning off link sharing when you're done. Simply go back to link sharing in your settings and toggle it off. It's as simple as that. This is an important step because it ensures that your board is no longer publicly accessible once you're finished sharing it. To wrap things up, sharing your Trello boards with a link is a quick and convenient way to collaborate with others. Just remember to turn off link sharing when you're done to keep your board secure. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.